Does John have a brother? No, John does not have a brother. Does John have a sister? Yes, John has two sisters. Does he have a hat? No, he does not have a hat. Does Helen have a sister? Yes, Helen has a sister. Does Helen have a brother? Yes, Helen has a brother. Helen has a brother and a sister. Does Helen have a hat? No, Helen does not have a hat. Helen's father has a hat. Do John, Helen, and Emma have a cat? Yes, they have a cat. Do they have books? Yes, they have many books. Do Mr. and Mrs. Smith have books? Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Smith have books. Mr. Smith has a hat. Helen has a sister and a brother. John has two sisters. Emma has baby toys. John and Helen have books. They have two parents. They have a big cat. They have books about cats.